What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, as I mentioned in my last video, today I'm going to tell you guys how can you create a backlink on Quora. When it comes to question and answers, Quora is the biggest online forum which we have on the internet for getting all of your questions answered. You can ask a simplest question on Quora and vice versa, and you will receive an answer for that. The other reason you need to build a backlink on Quora is the content on Quora will never die, because there are people who are going to research or look for the same question or the answer which you have been sharing the answers for, or probably asking the questions, and the content will never die. It will just grow and grow and grow. I have been active on Quora since last 1 month, since nearly about when I started this particular channel, and there are two ways you can add backlinks on Quora. So without any delay, let's get started. I'm going to show you on my desktop screen how can you do that. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please consider subscribing to my channel, and you might as well think of hitting that bell icon besides that. It would just motivate me to create more and more videos for you. And let's get started.
So here we are on the desktop screen. As you see, there are three ways you can go ahead and sign up for a Quora account. One is through Google, the other one is Facebook, and or with your personal email ID. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in with my Gmail account here. But before that, I wanted to show you a couple of reasons as to why am I suggesting for you guys to go ahead and create a backlink on Quora. Whenever you actually decide to share your website or blog or a channel link or create a backlink on any of the directories, you need to check out for specific and certain statistics of that particular website. Because depending on the statistics of that website, it might make your website or your channel grow up, or it might take you down. So few of them are domain authority, page authority, age, and Alexa ranking. I have already researched the statistics for Quora.com over here. As you see, the domain authority which we have for Quora is 93. The page authority is 71 with a 20-year-old aged website, and the Alexa ranking is 239. These factors really matter whenever you are actually going to add your backlink or your website link on that directory. If you want to check out for any particular website, you can go ahead and search websiteseochecker.com, and you can get the stats for any particular website for free. Another part what I want to show you is these are my channel analytics for last 28 days, and this is the total number of traffic. As you see, the traffic source, and the external source which I've got 13.3% of traffic coming from Quora this month, which is a really enormous traffic. It's a really good percentage. Apart from that, I wanted to also show you guys one video which I shared on the Quora Spaces, and it was quite liked by a lot of people. The video is how to create a free and customized website without buying domain or hosting plan. As you see over here, traffic source and external, Quora is the biggest platform through which I am receiving the traffic. It's a 49.1% traffic which I'm receiving for this particular video from Quora. So you can understand with the stats, guys, how big is Quora, and once you actually fill up the content on Quora, once you start answering on Quora, the content is never gonna die. Instead of that, it's just gonna keep on growing. Well, I'm just gonna sign in right now and give you a quick run up for this Quora. So yeah, the moment you sign in into Quora, this is how your feed is gonna look. Starting with the spaces which I am currently active into. Moving to the answers, so there are a lot of people who would be asking questions, and you can get those, you can answer those questions. If you know the information about them, you can go ahead and simply click on answer and answer those questions. People can also ask for specific requests, specific answer from your end. So as you see over here, a user has requested for my answer. There are few of them which, for example, if you I would suggest only answer them if you know that particular answer, which is a correct answer. If you don't know about a certain particular topic, you can click always on pass. Apart from that, we have spaces. So the moment you click here, there would be all these spaces which I am active right now, and these are the invites. So for example, I have got an invitation from a particular space to become a moderator, so you can accept and decline that request. Over here you will get the notifications about your content, and this is the profile. So let me just show you the stats. So over here, as you can see, I have got 36.5k, that is 36,500 content views, and out of which 36.3 k are from this month. And as I'm active on 17 spaces. So how do you make that particular content go viral is the moment you go ahead and click on Quora homepage and add a question, there would be an option called as share link. Now whatever, for example, I'm just going to take my video which is the recent video I created, and I'm gonna add that particular link here and just write a title, or let's say how to enroll into YouTube Creators Academy, and I'm gonna go ahead and share this link. Now the moment I share this link, this will be posted on my feed, so which means my followers would be able to see this particular link. There is another way you can add this link to the different spaces is if I click over here and I add a link in any of these particular spaces. Now remember one thing, you will be only able to see the spaces over here in order to select if you are a contributor in that space. If you're not a contributor in that particular space, you cannot add the links or any particular blogs or articles in any spaces. So the first thing you would need to go ahead and do is go ahead and join spaces and be a contributor. The other part coming to the link basically, so this was one way where you can actually create and share that link. The other way is about clicking on any particular space. So for example, if I click on Digital Marketing Hub and share this link, this particular content, this link would be posted on that space, and the viewers can go ahead and upvote and whatever downvote based on their particular opinion. So this is how you will get a notification. Just for an example, Ishika Gupta upvoted your share. So this is how the time when people go ahead and upvote your share, you will get a notification about the same. These were my two ways of how you can actually go ahead and add the backlinks on Quora. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button, and you might as well consider subscribing to my channel for more and more such kind of videos. That would be all from my end, guys, for today. I will be back with another hack.
So that was my video about how can you add backlinks on Quora. If you like the video, please hit the like button. In the next video, I'm going to tell you about a website which is currently offering free domains. I know it's a difficult task in today's world to get a website which is offering free domain, but it's a creative website which is offering a free domain for a year. So stay tuned for the next video. Until then, keep geeking.